guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. My hair's a bit of a mess today and I don't even have any lashes on, but that's okay, I'll put them on later. Right now, I need to focus on my hair, and what better way than to try out the Lange Le Sync 5 barrels for 1. That's right, you get 5 barrels. So, before we get started and for me to try this out, make sure you subscribe to my channel, ring that bell so you know if I when I do upload a new video, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you ever tried Lange in general or ever tried this specific one. And don't forget to follow me on my social media handle right there, and let's get started with the video. Okay, so like I said, my hair is a bit of a mess right now, but I blow dried it, I put styling products in my hair. But first, of course, I need to talk to you guys about this product right here. So again, this is the Lange Le Sync. There are 5 barrels in one. So in here, this is what the inside looks like. There are the 5 barrels that come with this. Here is what it comes in, which is quite impressive actually. I didn't expect it to come like this. So there's the protective glove, heat protected glove, and then there are the 5 barrels and the wand itself in here. So in this package, you do get a 19mm barrel, 25mm, 32mm, 13mm to 25mm tapered, and the bubble one. I feel like I kind of like the tapered one more, like a little curl right there. So I already have a curling iron, not from this brand right here, but from I think Baby Bliss, and it's obviously your standard barrel. It's the clip one, but I use it as a wand, like without the clip. This is the first time I ever have like a glove for this, really. I feel like Michael Jackson right now because this part right here. I don't know why, but anyway, so I think that's pretty nifty. I guess with the glove, you can change in between like your right hand and your left hand. Also, what I thought was quite interesting is that the bottom, this is how it's connected. On the inside here, I don't know if the camera can catch it, but there are 4 connectors in there. And then the front, you have the lock and close. So there are things on the side here where you just line it up in there as well, so it just fits perfectly. So it takes the guesswork to see if it's like connected or not, and right now it is locked and secured. By the way, this does retail for $200 US. The price is pretty steep, but if you think about it, you're getting 5 barrels for $200, so it's actually not that bad. So I'm just gonna clip my hair back for a second before showing you guys this. Right now it is off. You can see the blinky lights, it says off. I'm gonna hold and turn it on. So right now it's set to 370 degrees. You can see with the digital temperature right here, it is going up, which is quite nifty. Like, I think that this is really great to keep track of. It's like, so you know that it's at the right temperature. But I'm going to bring up to 390 because my hair needs a little bit extra heat to hold that curl. So right now it's going up, and it's going up quite fast. Right now it's at 280. Pretty fast for a few seconds. You can feel the heat. I'm not really used to wearing a glove, really. I might take it off like at some point. Like, I feel like I have more of a grip when I don't have a glove. So it says to keep hair wrapped for about 5 to 10 seconds. So I typically like to hold my curl for a little bit before letting it fall out. And ooh, yeah, that's a curl right there. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna take off the glove because I feel like I can't feel what's going on with it on. And I was curling my hair without it anyways in the past, so I would rather not. So I'm going to probably do that. Yeah, this is a lot easier for me to do. I don't know why it was so tough with the glove on. Okay, so I'm gonna let go of that curl. Ooh. Oh, that is a curl. This is a really nice curl. Like, you can see the bounce on that as well. Right now, I'm actually quite liking the curl. It doesn't seem really too tapered off to me, or maybe it's just me. I'm thinking I will do this section of my hair with this wand, and then when I move to another section, I will change it just to see how it is. It may take me a little bit longer to get ready, but not like I'm going anywhere anyways, so I might just end up doing that. But you guys can see the curl is curl. Wow. Like, look at this. Pretty good. Probably gonna use the 32mm barrel just so I can have like more looser curls for the rest of my hair. I kind of want to look pretty decent for my birthday and not like having crazy hair, but I definitely do want to try the longevity of this to see how long my curls last throughout the day, because there are times where like my hair doesn't really hold on to the curl depending on the temperature and all that stuff. And also I think that like my curling iron is a little bit old. It probably can't like produce that much heat evenly, and like my curls can't really hold the curl too well. So that also might be a factor. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this off. So just gonna hold and it should turn off. What I'm wondering is how long it will take for it to cool down, and I wish there was a temperature showing that like it will cool down as well. It would have been a lot easier, especially if you want to change the style of your hair, the barrels and all that, right? This is the section of my hair that's with the tapered barrel. It actually looks quite nice actually. Didn't expect it to be like this though, because I was thinking a little bit more tapered. It'll most likely fall in a few hours or so. Ooh, like look at this. This is a nice one. So again, this will fall in like a few hours or so. So I'm just gonna wait for the barrel to cool before I end up changing it, and then changing up my look. Also, Apollo's in the background right now on the other side of the door just yelling for me, so I have to tend to him now. I will see you guys in a little bit with the other barrel. So I put in the 35mm barrel right now, and it is going up in temperature. And I'm gonna move on to the other section of my hair now. I might have taken too much, but we shall see. So just gonna leave this up for a little bit and then let it fall. Ooh, I really like that. And again, it's very, very bouncy. My curls normally don't look so bouncy. I'm actually quite surprised. So I'm gonna do the rest of my head using the 35mm barrel, and I'm gonna see throughout the day how my curls hold up. If they hold up for a while or if they're just gonna end up falling at some point. We shall see. So I'm gonna do that and speed up the video, of course, and then I'll see you guys in a little bit to see how my hair is looking. Alright guys, so this is the first check-in with the hair situation. I have to say that it's holding up pretty well. I should have just stuck with the 35mm barrel because I have a mix of tight curls and then the looser curls, which I love these curls. Throughout the day when it started to like fall down, it just looks so nice and beachy. The tapered barrel, I don't mind it. I think that it's okay. I probably won't reach for that barrel as much. The curls that it gave me are a little too tight for my liking. Probably be a day that I will actually use it, but as of right now, I'm not really going to be reaching for it as much. I will still try that bubble barrel one of these days. Don't know when that is, but one of these days I will reach for that. But in any case, you guys can see that the curls look hella nice. Like the way that it just falls. Definitely see like the different curls, like from this and this. Here, like this one and this one, you can definitely tell the different type of curl the barrels gave. And it's just a nice bouncy curl. Like, I don't know how else to explain it. So when I curled my hair, it was definitely very effortless. It took no time at all. It was very, very quick. Normally when I curl my hair, it takes a long time because the time for me to make sure that the heat is evenly distributed for each section, and also the fact that my curler is a little bit older, so it's going to take a bit more time to heat up the section evenly, so maybe one part's a little bit more better than the other. And for me, I would have to leave the section on the barrel longer, which in turn will cause my hair to be more damaged. Even though I put heat protectant on, it's just gonna be more damaged and split ends and so forth. So the fact that like I can actually curl my hair very quickly and the curl actually stays, Lange did a good job. I really like how my curls turned out. It just goes bouncing back to its original shape. Like, my hair doesn't usually do that, and I am so impressed. So Lange, I definitely approve of this product. So if you guys have money to splurge, and instead of spending $200 or whatever on one curler for one barrel, you get 5 in 1. Like, you have literally different options for curls. Like, you guys could tell which curl was from what barrel, because like one was a little tighter, one's a little looser. Like I said, this is definitely approved. I love it. And if you guys have a chance, go check them out. If you have the coin, definitely buy this like curler package, because it is worth it for sure. So anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I need to head out right now because I'm running a little bit late. So I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!